Okay, hello. So here we are back with our week 4 problems basically. Let me just refresh these real quick. Setting up. Okay, I think that should be good. Cool. So our first problem for today is emojis. Hmm. I think we also had one in those if else thingies. Mm, yeah, this one I guess. But we were just copy pasting the emojis at that time. So in this, I think we have to use the library or something. So because emojis aren't quite as easy to type as text, at least on laptops and desktops, some programs support codes whereby you can type, for instance, yeah, this thing. It's like Discord, I guess, which will be automatically converted to thumbs up emoji. Some programs additionally support aliases whereby you can more succinctly type, for instance, thumbs up, which will also automatically be converted to this. See this for a list of codes with aliases. Cool. Let me just check it real quick. Okay. Hmm. It's a long fucking list, obviously, because there are lots and lots of emojis. What we have to do? Oh, so we have to support all of them. Okay, okay. Basically, we can install it. Cool. So we can do pip install emoji. I think this one at least sounds straightforward. So again, let me close all of these. Let me just minimize all of these as well. So we have done 4 weeks till now. So let me say mkdir week 4 cd week 4. Ah shit. Sometimes my typing skills are like too fast that I feel this can't handle it. Okay. There is nothing here. Emoji. Uh, yeah, I think it was this. Yep. Cool. Although, let me pip install here only. Okay. CD week 4, CD emojis. Cool. Now it comes with two functions, one of which is emojis. So we have to, sorry, name is equal to input. Input only, was it right? I think so. Yep. And we have to print. What was the function? Emoji.emojis. Python is whatever. Or in this case, just we have to pass our input. I think we have to pass it in string only. Emoji.emojis. Okay, we have to import, I guess. Yep. Import emoji. Then just pass in the name. Python emojis.py. We can say thumbs up. But does it support the aliases? I don't think so. And we also have to do that. Can we do try and accept? It was inside only, right? Yep. Cool. Oh shit. Why the hell is it not doing that? Let's just check, I guess. But I think it's going to fail, obviously, because the hell, bro. Okay, maybe that one is an Elias. Elias. I don't know how to say it, bro. I'm sorry. I'm fucking sorry. Hmm. How to do that? Okay. But you have string as well, no? Now maybe. Ah shit, we don't have accept. Fuck. It's all gonna turn red, isn't it? Yep. What is the problem? Import emoji could not be resolved. What the hell? What do you mean missing inputs, bro? This is kind of ridiculous, but let's see. See, now there is not an issue. Yay, let's go. I think it should be fine for all the private cases as well. But let's see. Hey, the hell? These were not the same, right? What was this? Yep. Cool. So it passed everything. Okay. Uh 1 out of 6 gone. But I think that obviously would have been the easiest one. That took us like 16 minutes. So I think I still have half an hour. I'm not going to be late like yesterday because that was a fucking disaster. I went to the gym late and then this that. So 4:30 I'm gonna wrap up, hopefully, and go. Okay, Frank, Ian, and Glenn's letters. Figlet, named after Frank, Ian, and Glenn's letters, is a program from the early 90s for making large letters out of ordinary text, a form of ASCII art, like this. Okay. Among the fonts supported are these. Let me open the links. And that's okay. I think we don't need to. This one also, I think it was just. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think, yeah, this one. Yep. Of course, it is in Python. Pip install pyfiglet. Let me copy that. Let me install it as well. And what is the name of the file? Yeah, figlet only. Okay. So implement a program that expects a 0 or 2 command line arguments. 0 if the user would like to output text in a random font. 2 if the user would like to output uh, text in a specific font, in which case the first of the two should be minus f or minus font, and the second of the two should be the name of the font. Prompts the user for a string of text, outputs that text in the desired font. If the user provides true command line okay, so we can use it as this. we can get the list of fonts. And we have to use random, I guess, for choosing the font. Okay. Okay. So this one, I think we have some work to do. What is the problem? Yeah, all right, buddy. Let me just do that. Okay, so first of all, we need where was that sys.argv things? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Or was it week 4? Yeah, week 4 only. Cool. Damn, I was using those things in like previous week's problem as well. But yeah, anyways. So we have random. Let me just run this first. Python figlet dot py. Let me print this, I guess. God damn. So these are the list of fonts. Now, let's check that sys thingy. Let me import it first. Okay. So we can say try if sys dot argv of 1 is not equal to f. Let me close WhatsApp. Okay. Sys dot exit invalid usage. Elif okay, so it can be 0 as well. So directly this won't work. If length of sys dot argv not equal to 0 or length of sys dot argv not equal to if it is less than 2, which means wait, there should be exactly 1 in this case. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Yeah, sorry for that. Um, okay. I think that looks good. Let's try. Okay, wait. We haven't even taken the input yet. The fuck? Sorry. So let's just say str input. Give me a fucking input. And if everything is all right, then how do we print it? Mm-mm-mm-mm. We can do it in accept as well, right? Like we can say if length of sys dot argv equals 0. Zero, right? I think it's 1, bro. Then this should be 3, no? I think it should be. No, this should be 2 only. But length should be like if 0, 1, 2. So then should be 1 or 3. So if it is equal to 1, then we can just print figlet dot render text str elif length of that is equal to 3, then we can set the font as sys.argv of 2 and then print figlet dot render text. Yay, I think that works. And now I think we can remove this. Cool. Let's start by checking these things first. Okay, I have to take input and accept only. Shit. Let me just print the length. So it's 2 here, which means 1 and 2. And we need it. Why? Fuck, man. It is alright, right? Fuck this shit, bro. Am I fucking dumb, bro? What the hell is happening here? Okay. Shit, I can't even do that because it is only. Why? let's just man, why is it not doing this? The hell? Shit. It's 4:30. And I can't even figure out a way to debug this, because when I'm going to debug, it's just running it with one single input, and maybe remove these. Now let's see. Okay, so there was some fucking issue with also let me how to get a random string from a list each time. Python random.choice. Okay. Okay. That should work fine. My time is also running out. Let me quickly check things. Hopefully it does work. Okay. I thought so. Everything is invalid usage at this point. Oh. We will have to put this in R only. Then, because otherwise it's going to turn into a disaster, bro. Okay. Let me do this. If it is equal to 1, then let me take an input and do this. Else if it is okay. I think we can remove this. Then we can again take an input by my indenting these. But then we also will have to check or we can just say here also So this is like length is 3. This is also there, but this is not in fonts. Then we can do this. And again, copy. And finally, also copy. Cool. Maybe that is correct now. Hmm. Okay. Yay. I think it is. It should be working now. Ah, shit. What the hell is this indentation, bro? Let me fix that. Let's see. Submitted few seconds ago. 515. Oh, it was this one, not this one. 8 on 8, cool. And yeah, Figlet, you are done. Cool. It took 55 minutes for 2 questions. It's alright, it's alright. At least we did 2. And that too successfully without taking any help and stuff. But yeah, that is going to be it for today. I'll quickly go out and go to the gym because it's already 4:42 now. And again, I'll be continuing with others tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll also do 2 tomorrow. And so we can move on quickly. So yeah, that is it for today. Have a good day or night if you are watching. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.